I'm sure you've been there staring in the mirror, wondering why your skin just doesn't have that radiant glow you've always wanted, and your nails are brittle and weak. You've tried countless creams and lotions, but nothing seems to give you the results you're looking for. That's when I discovered the gelatin trick, and it's been a game changer for me. By incorporating the gelatin trick into my daily routine, I've noticed a significant improvement in my skin's texture and tone, and my nails have never been stronger. The gelatin trick is all about harnessing the power of gelatin to nourish your body from the inside out, and it's amazing how it can transform your skin and nail health. As I delved deeper into the benefits of the gelatin trick, I realized that it's not just about adding a new supplement to your diet, but about creating a simple yet effective daily ritual that can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. By using the gelatin trick, you can wake up with a fresh, healthy glow and enjoy strong, resilient nails that don't break or chip easily. To learn more about how to incorporate the gelatin trick into your daily routine, check out the link in my description below for a more in-depth look. And if you have any questions, be sure to check out the pinned comment where I've shared some additional tips and tricks for getting the most out of the gelatin trick.